In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pinterest to Instagram. By the end, your Instagram will be claimed in Pinterest, so your content can be properly attributed and easier to manage across both platforms. Start by opening a web browser and going to pinterest.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Pinterest account you want to connect. If you manage multiple accounts, double check you're in the right one before moving on. This walkthrough is shown on desktop, where the layout is easiest to follow. On the Pinterest homepage, look to the bottom left corner and open the settings area. Depending on your layout, you might see a gear icon, your profile picture with a drop-down, or a settings label. Click into settings to open the full preferences page. If you're on mobile, the path is similar. Go to your profile, then the gear icon, then settings. The names are the same, but the buttons may be arranged a bit differently. Inside settings, find the section that handles linking or claiming accounts. You may see it labeled as link to Pinterest, claim, or a similar name in the left sidebar. Open that section. This is where Pinterest lists services you can connect to your account. Next, select the option to claim Instagram. Pinterest will guide you through an authorization prompt. If your browser is already logged into Instagram, it should pick that up. If not, you'll be asked to sign in to Instagram and confirm the connection. Approve the requested permissions so Pinterest can verify that the Instagram account is yours. If you use two-factor authentication on Instagram, have your verification method ready to complete the process smoothly. Once approved, Pinterest will show a confirmation and your Instagram should display as connected or claimed within the settings page. Give it a moment, then refresh the page to confirm the status. From here, Pinterest can recognize your Instagram content for attribution. If you ever need to disconnect, you can return to the same settings area and remove the connection. If you don't see the Instagram option, there are a few things to check. Make sure your Pinterest app or browser version is up to date. Try switching to desktop if you're on mobile and confirm you're using the correct account. Availability can vary by region and account type. So if it's missing entirely, revisit later or consult Pinterest's Help Center for the latest on supported connections. That's it. You've connected Pinterest to Instagram through the Pinterest settings and claimed your Instagram. Thanks for watching and happy pinning.